thunderstorm warning for Crawford, Marion, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. The storm was located near Marion and moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Bucyrus, Chatfield, Alien, New Washington, Crestline. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Now looking